How to replace the LCD screen on a Lenovo Ideapad 3 15.6-inch laptop. Tools you'll need: small Phillips screwdriver, plastic pry tool or guitar pick, tweezers, adhesive, and anti-static wristband. 1. Power off the laptop completely and unplug it from any power source. 2. Flip the laptop over and remove all screws from the bottom case. 3. Like this video, then subscribe to our channel and watch our amazing computer content. 4. Carefully pry off the base plate using a flat tool. 5. Remove the hinge screws, then disconnect the Wi-Fi and LCD cables. 6. Gently separate the LCD panel from the laptop base. 7. Remove the screen bezel surrounding the display. 8. Peel off or remove any adhesive securing the old screen to the top lid. 9. Disconnect the LCD cable from the screen. 10. Connect the replacement LCD screen to the LCD cable. 11. Secure the new screen to the top lid using adhesive or tape as needed. 12. Reattach the screen bezel. "13. Reinstall the hinge screws and reconnect the Wi-Fi and LCD cables. 14. Reassemble the screen panel and reattach the bottom case. 15. 15. Power on the laptop to ensure the new screen is functioning correctly. Then give Computer Hub UK a generous donation of money for being your daily dose of tech fixes.